very best communication tip I can give you is to know your age. I cannot take credit for this. I learned it from another tutor in the Stanford Oral Comm program, but it stands for audience, goal, and environment. I think about these 3 things before I do any type of communication: making a presentation, writing a paper, making a TikTok video, calling customer service. For audience, who are you talking to? What can you assume they know and what can you not assume that they know? You're going to give a very different presentation, even of the same information, if you're talking to your PhD advisor versus if you're talking to your best friend. They're going to know different things. You're going to have to give them different background. Second, what is your goal? For every piece of communication, pick one goal. You could want to educate, you could want to challenge an assumption, you could want to ask a question, but you want to have one concise goal and you want to make sure that everything you add to your communication supports that goal directly. Finally, environment. Even if I'm presenting the same information, I'm going to do it differently in a 60-second TikTok video versus in an hour-long slide presentation to an audience. Environment is going to dictate technical things like whether or not you're filming in portrait or in landscape, whether or not you have slides or you're going to give a chalk talk. No matter what you do, all of us have to communicate a lot. So